Hey there, okay, got another video for you. This one's the Bullish Breakaway. Okay, and this one consists of 5 candles as well, and they appear at the bottom of trends. These are pretty strong indications of trend reversals. Okay, so let's just show you how they look like. Okay, let's take this one out. This is the Bullish Breakaway. And how that works is you're initially coming in from an uptrend, but you're coming down, okay, and then you'll have your bear candle like so, but then you'll start having some smaller ones kind of going like that sort of thing. Alright, and then all of a sudden you got this bull bar that comes in. There's no need to really wait for a confirmation. This is sentiment enough. I mean, it's already taken over the last 3 days worth, so then you just go along on that particular currency pair or based on that formation. Now unfortunately there isn't really any good examples to go off to have a look to see where this is happening. Let's see. I mean, this kind of looks like it here, where you've had this huge move down and there's been like some smaller candles here, and then there's been this shunt up that's kind of engulfed the previous 3 days. That kind of, qualifies in my mind for that bullish breakaway, because you're not going to find a pattern that looks bang on perfect all of the time. See if we can. Starting to get candle blindness. Alright. Yeah, so they're very rare, but when they do come in, I mean, it's nice to acknowledge them as well. Maybe they'll come through on larger smaller time frames. So I just need to find that big down candle followed by some smaller ones. And we're not finding any at all. Seeing a lot of down candles though, but we're not really seeing. That was kind of close to what we was looking for, but no, I can't really find any more, unfortunately. But overall, I mean, I trust you get the general idea when they come in, if you ever do see them come in. It's just a shame I can't really find one in this example. Let me just pause for a moment, see if I can find any. Okay, here's one. It will qualify. You've got, this is a long candle here, and then you got 3 little ones, and then you got that bull candle, which kind of engulfs almost all of it. So that would count. Alright, so that was like a reversal from there, and then you go long up to there, wherever it was. So entry price would have been approximately there, so that's about 200 pips or so. Is that 200 pips? No, big pardon, that's probably about 30-40 pips or something. Alright, so yeah, I mean, you don't see them all the time, but I had to change time frames for that one. to see if but you get the general idea. So you need to see one huge move. Well, you're in a downwards trend, so you need to see your bars, and then one big one followed by three little small ones, and then followed by an up bar, and then you can go long and target your resistance area for your support, or come down a little bit from your resistance area. Okay, so I will leave you with that video, and I will show you another setup. See you in a minute. Bye now.